Well, improving weather now as the cold front has pushed through. Severe weather threat is gone, and really the rest of the 7 to 10 plus day forecast, chilly and much quieter. We're starting to see some breaks in the low clouds and more clearing through the overnight. Our current temperature of 58 degrees is so far the low for the day. Wherever our temperature is just before midnight will be the low. Dew points in the 50s. So humidity, yeah, it's at 90% because the temperature and dew point are only 3 degrees apart. But dew points in the 50s is a drier air mass than some of the driest air we've seen so far this month. And I mean perfectly cutting the month in half, today being the 14th. The first half warm and humid, the second half looking chilly and dry. Already in the 40s in Macomb, 50s and low 60s elsewhere as that colder, now drier air mass has started to move in, and this is going to hang around for quite a while. Dew points continue to fall with that northwesterly wind, and temperatures will continue to fall as well through the overnight, likely bottoming out in the mid 40s on the north shore, around 50 degrees south before we start warming up again. But tomorrow looks like we'll probably stay upper 50s, maybe 60, 61 degrees at the warmest, and that is below average. And in fact, the next 7 to 10 days, we'll see high temperatures staying below average. Still breezy outside. We're not getting those strong wind gusts anymore, and the winds will continue to subside through the overnight. This was the vigorous upper level system that brought in the severe threat, but now is wrapping around that colder air that is dragging it right out of Canada and down to the Gulf South. In the kind of battleground is where we've had all the severe weather. Warm and humid air out ahead of very cold, dry air. And where they meet is where you get the severe weather. But the colder air is on the march south, and we will see several reinforcing fronts. The upper pattern is keeping this colder air in place through at least, as I said, the next 7 to 10 days, but probably going even beyond toward the end of the month. So certainly looking chilly for Christmas, and that may continue for New Year's Eve as well. Here is the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, calling for a higher chance of likely staying below average and a high chance of us staying below average for our high temperatures right up to December 28th. So we will remain chilly for the foreseeable future, and this is how we wanted to end the month, on a much quieter note after the severe weather today. We'll see more sunshine tomorrow, Friday. Little upper disturbance will probably trigger some clouds and maybe some more coastal rain. Dry for the day Sunday. Another upper disturbance Monday into Tuesday, bringing in some rainfall, but note the high temperature staying pretty chilly through next Wednesday.